Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this pool home for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 2861 Yuma Drive. This just had a price reduction down to $449. It's a nice south side neighborhood. Pretty close to Havasu Riviera launch ramp. Pretty much nice all the way around. Quiet street. I've been here for about 10 minutes on the phone, haven't seen one car. Looks like they just did the redo gravel up here. So you got a nice double RV garage, new home next door. You can see the property line right here where the fire hydrant and the water boxes are. Even though this looks like a two-story house, it's still considered a single story. It's what we call a tuck under. So livable square footage is upstairs. Have a little steps up to the backyard access. All right, let's go check it out. So you got a cool covered front patio, real nice shot of Cupcake Mountain from here. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 1974. They have redone most of it. Still a couple things left to do. 1,518 square feet, 9,900 square foot lot. Little slider out to the front patio. So you have kind of a center of the house kitchen, granite tops with a little eat-at bar here. Also a slider out to the backyard patio and pool area. So you have tile backsplash, stainless appliances. They took out the original recessed tube lights and put in some can lights. All the floors are the plank tile, ceramic, RO at your sink. So the kitchen does a walkthrough to the bedroom, so we're gonna go around this way just so you can see the entry. You have a little closet to your right. They did bring a washer and dryer upstairs that is included, I guess. So I'm not sure if they're calling this a bedroom, probably not. They did do window coverings in this room. Let's keep going, see what we find. Still have some popcorn ceilings in the hallway here. Next room you hit is a guest bath, granite tops, cool sinks. Looks like the shower still needs to be upgraded. The tub's like sunken in a little bit. Not a big deal to replace that. So you got some more linen closet types and another bedroom, or a bedroom. Standard double door slider closets. So at the end of the hall you have bedroom number 2, another guest bedroom. Looks like they did new windows, a nice vinyl dual pane windows, double door slider closet. And then across the hall you have a master. Guess they were all moved out. You have some things to grab. I don't think any of the furniture, couches, or headset, anything's really going. So you have 2 double door closets, kind of a his and her. So you have your master bath, which is a little weak. Only has one sink, but it has a granite top and the basin bowl sink. Tile to ceiling walk-in shower. Okay, we came out the master slider to the backyard. So you have a covered patio. It looks like it's pretty new. It looks like that Yuma wood type material. Has a ceiling fan. So also the pool was just redone all the way down to the rebar. So it's basically a new pool. So you have the neighbor's wall and then your fence. You could probably put some privacy slats in there and make it look much, much better. Pool also looks pretty deep. Does have a tile roof and they've covered the eaves. So you have your pool equipment, the giant old school heater, but the pool equipment itself is new, there's no automation on a dial timer. Let's see what's back here. So it looks like the pool's heated with propane. So these are the privacy slats I was talking about. You can put along the whole fence. Give you some privacy. Looks like they redid the stucco finish because this is stucco to grade construction. So looks like they did a new little coat. Maybe it was eroding or something, which is pretty typical. So here's the steps to the left side of the house where they come up from the street. Just an FYI, I'm not going to shoot the garage. It's just a standard 21-foot garage with a 7-foot door. And it's kind of a pain in the butt because you have to walk upstairs to get to the main living area. There is a washer and dryer set up down there as well. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video of the house over here on Yuma. Again, this one was just reduced to $449. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.